Continuing lesson 3-5 in the applied geometry course, studying perpendicular lines. Quick review. Lines that are perpendicular to each other have slopes that are negative reciprocals of each other, so they're flipped upside down and opposite signs. Our charge here, so this presents similar problem-solving situations to what we went over with parallel lines. Difference will be the slopes. Our charge is to find the line that's perpendicular to this one, y equals 2/3 x plus 3, and has a y-intercept of -2. Incidentally, side note, that's the point 0, -2. So they may hide it in a point, and you might use the problem-solving strategy we're going to use next, which is a little more detailed, when you could easily use y-intercept. So look out for that. You may recognize it, you may not. In the end, you'll get the right answer. It's just a little shortcut if you do find it. So what do we need to know about this line? We need to know its slope. We know its slope is 2/3. If its slope is 2/3, then the slope of the line perpendicular to it is going to be that flipped, so 3/2, opposite signs. So the slope of our new line, and I'll put our new line in red, is going to be, in slope-intercept form, -3/2 x. We don't know our b yet, but we do know the slope. That will make it perpendicular regardless of the b. Now we're going to use the rest of the information to find the y-intercept. So taking it from there, I know this point, well actually we don't even have to go much further from there because we know the y-intercept is -2. That gives us our b straight up, which is why I made this point. So y equals -3/2 x plus 2. That's our line and we're done. How do we know it's perpendicular to this line? Because its slope is inverted, 3/2, or it's the reciprocal, and it's the opposite sign. So -3/2 to 2/3, perpendicular lines.